Today I will introduce to you how the mechanical timer is used. First, you can observe the dial above the timer. There are 96 paddles around the dial. Each peak represents 15 minutes. A dial represents 24 hours of a day. The eye on the red button on the side represents the open state. The following alarm clock shape represents the timing status. Let me demonstrate how to operate the mechanical timer. This black triangle can set the current time. When you align the current time with the shape of the black triangle, you can finish setting the current time. Because my time here is 2 p.m., so I need to turn the dial clockwise to set the current time to 2 p.m. It is the position indicated by the black triangle now. In the process of turning, it can only be turned clockwise, not counterclockwise. Otherwise it will cause damage to the timer. Here comes the most important part. Each time a timer paddle is pressed down, it means that the timing is turned on for 15 minutes. Pressing down two timer paddles means that the timing is turned on for 30 minutes. If I don't put down the middle paddle, it means that it will stop for 15 minutes, and then I dial it down. Again, one paddle means that the timing is started for another 15 minutes, and so on. The unpressed timing paddle is the timing off time. Next, I pushed the red button to the position of the regular alarm clock shape. After plugging in the power, the red indicator light turns on, indicating that the timer is powered on, and the timer has started to work.